Instagram is a photo sharing app that allows people to follow friends, family, celebrities, even strangers to view the photos that they post. You can comment and like what another person has posted as well. There is a feature that allows you to post stories, which are only available to view for 24 hours after posting. Instagram's target audience is people under the age of 35. Instagram is different from other social media platforms because it is only for photos/video sharing. With a target audience of 50 and younger, Twitter is a popular microblogging social media platform where a tweet is 140 characters or less. You can follow people, and their tweets will be displayed to you on your timeline. Twitter is different from other social media platforms because it limits the amount of characters you can send in one post. Facebook is a popular website where users can connect with other users on a friendly basis. You can share thoughts, pictures, videos, and music onto your Facebook wall for all of your friends to see, where they can like, comment, and share your thoughts to their friends too. Facebook has a very broad spectrum of aged users, which makes it hard to narrow it down to one target audience. Facebook is unique because it allows you to fully connect with your loved ones in a way that other platforms don't compare. The need for children to connect with one another now as teenagers is very, very crazy and very different from when I was a teenager. When I was a teenager, it was just when MySpace started to emerge as being popular. And I'm happy that I grew up in a time where I didn't have those social media platforms because it adds so much more pressure on a teenager. I do believe that in the past, people still had phones. So this whole thing started really with the phones, and people found ways to connect in the past, whether it was passing notes in school or, starting rumors or things like that. So there's always been that need to connect with other people, but now it's just so much more available and it's right at your hands at all times. So which makes it, it can be dangerous. Um, I think that it can be used in a positive way, which we've seen now with this whole pandemic going around. That social media can be used in a positive way with all of these different, birthday parties and um, online learning and all different avenues that we've had to take because of COVID. There has been so many different positive changes when regarding social media, I think, because of this pandemic.